video where the mugger is going to be threatening you with a knife from the front. This is version 2. So the first version that we saw, we just popped and went and we had the knife. The second version, we're going to do something a little bit different, but it's also like what we did when we had in gooseneck. We pushed it up, step through, and put them in here. Escape from gooseneck in the exercise videos. You'll see that. That will help you with this. If you've already studied that, this is going to be really easy. Because all that we're doing on here is the same thing. We're taking 2 hands and we're pushing the knife up. Almost our hands are straight and his arm is straight. That's our distraction. So when I push it, I'm just pushing it here, that doesn't distract him. The distraction is when it goes into his face. That's his distraction. That gives me maybe an 1/18 of a second, 1/16 of a second, 1/8 of a second. But that's all I'm doing. I'm just pushing it up here, and then walking, put my elbow, and I have him. Mine. If I do that to Randy, it's going to do the same thing. He's going to push it up, step through, put it on, control, and then he does whatever he wants with the knife. And once you do that, you're going to end up in the same position as our basic knife across the throat when we're going here. That's where you're going to end up. But instead of that, it's here, over, and now I'm there. So now I do whatever I want. If I want to push, pump, hold, up, cut. Whatever I want to do, I can do once I'm in that position. So, same thing, push and step with the outside leg. Right? Push, step with the outside, not with the inside leg. If you step with the inside leg, you won't have a fulcrum on there for too much longer. Right? I want to push, outside leg, pop the fulcrum on, step, and I have them. Right? Again, push, step, pull to the shoulder, and I control them now. Drop the arm bar, push it out, do whatever I want. From this side one more time. Push. I want to touch the fulcrum. Continue the step. Pull the arm to your shoulder. As soon as you put that in there, he doesn't know, hey, what? And you'll find out that you can do that fast. Doesn't matter. You can walk through it. You don't have to do anything. You can just run through it. Once it's there, you come back. Play with that, man. This is going to be great. Thanks.